So guys, yes, today is 26th of April and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the market is opening 0.99% up. So almost 1% up today, opening at 17,121.30. Advanced stocks are 49, declines is only 1 and unchanged is 0 stock. Now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is ICICI Bank with 2.10% up and Tata Motors with 2.06% up. And coming to the stock, the one stock which is suffering in a little of a gap down, that is Asian Paint with only 0.02% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. So I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so you can go inside my channel and watch all these videos. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made in the live trading videos and everything. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. We provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Well, Tata still in the market level around 1231, so let's sell now. So yes, 1231.55 is very short sold. So guys, it's right now short sold the Tata Steel. We can see the market is 1.15% up, but I can see that it will give a quick movement and it will take a support somewhere and it will go up. So that's why I'm planning to book like 4 to 5 points target in this sell trade and exit quick. Okay, so this stock can take anywhere support and go up, but I'm sure before that it will give at least 4 to 5 points down, because there is an support level which is given a breakout, and so that's why at least it will go down and then it will take a support and come up. So before that I'll take my exit. So it will be a quick trade. Okay, so let's see how it will perform, because the market is very positive now, but this stock is showing some of a sell strength right now, so that's why I have taken a sell signal. So let's see guys. Okay, so once I take my exit I'll update. So right now it's trading at 1232.85, 1233. Yes, it can bounce up and it will come back again is what I am thinking. So let's wait for it. Okay, so even if it takes some time it will come down is what I am guessing. So 1233 now. So Tata Steel, so market is at 17,149 as of now. So let's see how it will perform. Okay, so we are in a sell side of Tata Steel, waiting for it to come down. So once it crosses 1230, we can expect some of a quick movement to happen. So you can see here 1230 is trying to give a breakout near 1230. Once it gives a breakout there, we can expect some of a quick movement to happen and exit soon. Okay. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock made a low of 1227 and I short around 1231. I took my exit. I was managed to get like 4 points target and I took my exit. Okay, and later there was a support around 1227 and from there the stock went up till almost 1241. Okay, so that's why I took my exit somewhere over here, and you can see the market was 1% up, 1.24% up. So that's why I didn't take a risk of holding for the much time. So it gave a sell side signal, so that's why I took a sell. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Tata Steel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.